Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the second part of this exercise, we will learn how to log customer cases. To log a new case, click on the Case menu from the CRM module and select New Case. The activity form will display. Take note that the activity type is set to Case. Take, for instance, the customer was calling to report a problem he's having with a product he has purchased. We will enter the subject of the customer case. As the customer is on the line, we can enter the contact name. If the call time should be logged, we need to do this first by clicking on the Start button beside the duration field and write down notes. After we have provided initial support to the customer and finished the call, we can stop the timer from counting by clicking on the Stop button. We can then add the necessary details to the customer case. We will set the case status to In Progress. We can change the status however the case progresses. The default user assigned is the login user. We can change this to assign the case to another user in Interprise Suite and make the case visible to them in Case Dashboard and the Activity Calendar. We can also make this case viewable for members of a team. We can optionally select a team so that the members will also be able to view this activity. We will select Customer Service. If applicable, the customer service contract will determine the due date for the customer case. If the customer has a service contract, the default contract will be displayed. We will discuss service contract setup in the first exercise. Take note that we can still change the default current dates in the start and end date fields. We can choose the dates on a calendar or simply increment/decrement dates using the arrow keys. We can optionally set an activity category to the case. In this example, we will select Call Inbound. In the Problems tab, we can detail out the issues that the customer has reported. In the Solutions tab, we add the answer or plan the actions necessary to solve the customer case. If the customer issue involves our products or services, we can list them and specify the problem in the Items tab. As determined by the service contract, our response time should be within 8 hours. We can schedule a callback to remind us when we should call the customer. We can do this quickly by clicking on the callback option from the toolbar menu. The Create Callback window will display. We can schedule our callback by specifying a number of minutes, hours, or days, or specify the exact date. Click OK to close the window and create a callback activity. The activity window will display. We can see the link call activity in the link activity field. We can modify the information in the callback activity. After this, we can choose from any of the saving options. Thank you for watching. In the second part of this exercise, we will learn how to manage our customer cases.